And all this shit saying that you don't know if you're gonna be with me yet. Someone just called me from a private number.
It's only 9:30, right? Right?
Mm-hmm. You better stop, Audrey. You better stop, dude. Just because you want to hear that cat make that noise. You better stop.
What was that?
You know what the fuck it was.
What was that, Ruben? What's your ringtone?
Mm-hmm.
Ruben, what is your
You better
ringtone?
quit that bullshit.
Ruben!
I will smash your phone. You will not have a phone to call from.
Ruben, what was that?
I don't know.
Is there a kitten in here?
Yeah, it's in your pants. You better stop. Strike two.
Why would you have that as your ringtone?
I don't know.